talk about how can you enable sound effects on your Duolingo app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click in this sign down here. You just click on it, then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click in this sign here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on preferences. You will find here sound effects. Just click in this sign. So then we will go back here, click on done, then it's going to save with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.